Imagine floating in the silent darkness of space, gazing down at the swirling blue marble we call Earth. For most of history, we only saw our world in fragments: mountains, seas, weather, never the whole. The space age changed that. Suddenly, we could see Earth as a single interconnected system, a fragile oasis in the cosmos. From space, we witnessed the dance of weather, the flow of ocean currents, and the seasonal pulse of life. This grand view reveals how everything is connected. Smoke from one continent can affect air on another, melting ice can raise seas far away. Looking at Earth from above is like a doctor scanning a patient. It lets us monitor our planet's vital signs. We can measure temperature, check the health of forests, and analyze the atmosphere. This is crucial as we face climate change, a challenge accelerating due to human activity. To understand and address these changes, we need the clear, unbiased view only space can provide. Astronauts don't see borders from space, just one planet, one home, shared by all. This perspective reminds us, we're all in this together. Global problems like climate change demand global solutions. Our journey into space has given us the tools to understand and protect our world. It's shown us how precious and delicate our planet truly is. The view from space is more than beautiful, it's essential for our future. It's time we use this perspective to care for our only home. NASA's fleet of satellites acts as our planet's doctors, constantly monitoring Earth's health. These robotic explorers, known as the Earth Observing System, orbit day and night, collecting vast amounts of data. Each satellite is equipped with specialized instruments, powerful cameras, sensors, even lasers, to measure everything from sea temperature to air quality. Some scan the entire globe every couple of days, others focus on specific regions for constant updates. They provide precise scientific measurements, no guesswork. Data is beamed back to Earth, forming the foundation of our understanding of how the planet works and changes. NASA continually upgrades this fleet, launching new missions and technologies to answer urgent climate questions. As climate change accelerates, we need ever more detailed and accurate data. These satellites are our frontline defense in understanding and protecting our home. They give us the information we need to make smart decisions for the planet's future. Meet PACE, NASA's newest satellite, launched in 2024 to study our oceans and atmosphere in unprecedented detail. PACE's main job is to track phytoplankton, the tiny ocean organisms that form the base of the marine food web and help regulate Earth's climate. Using a powerful ocean color camera, PACE can identify different species of phytoplankton by analyzing subtle shades of blue and green from space. This helps scientists monitor ocean health, track carbon absorption, and detect harmful algal blooms. But PACE also looks up, studying aerosols, tiny particles like dust, sea salt, and smoke, that influence climate and cloud formation. By observing both ocean and atmosphere, PACE reveals how land, air, and sea are interconnected. For example, it can track dust from the Sahara fertilizing phytoplankton blooms across the Atlantic. This holistic view is vital for understanding Earth's complex climate machinery. PACE helps us see the links between ocean health, air quality, and climate stability. It's a leap forward in connecting the dots of our planet's systems. With PACE, we're not just watching the ocean, we're understanding how the whole Earth breathes. This is the kind of insight we need to protect our planet's future. Some satellites focus on specific phenomena with incredible frequency. Tempo, for example, is fixed over North America, scanning air pollution every hour, like a time-lapse movie of our atmosphere. It tracks pollution as it builds, moves, and disperses, helping us pinpoint hotspots and protect public health. Meanwhile, Profire, a pair of tiny CubeSats, flies over the Arctic and Antarctic, measuring far-infrared energy, Earth's heat loss to space. The polar regions are crucial vents for this energy, but we've never measured it this precisely before. Profire fills a critical gap, improving climate models and predictions for ice melt and warming. Together, these missions help us understand how pollution and heat flow across our planet. They provide the data we need to forecast changes and respond wisely. With these eyes in the sky, we're balancing Earth's energy checkbook. It's a new era for tracking our planet's vital signs. For over 50 years, the Landsat program has been our planet's time machine. Since 1972, Landsat satellites have captured detailed images of Earth's surface, creating an unparalleled archive. Every 16 days, they photograph the entire globe, allowing us to track changes over decades. These images reveal deforestation, urban growth, glacier retreat, and water shifts, clear evidence of human impact and climate change. Landsat data has been crucial for mapping forest loss, monitoring glaciers, and supporting conservation efforts worldwide. The best part? All Landsat data is free and open to the public, fueling innovation and research everywhere. Scientists, governments, and even farmers use this resource to make informed decisions. Landsat's long-term record is a fundamental public good, a shared tool for understanding and managing our planet. It's a powerful, sometimes sobering story of how our world is changing. And it's a story we can all access, thanks to open data. NASA's satellite data isn't just for scientists, it saves lives and supports communities every day. In disasters like hurricanes, floods, or wildfires, satellites provide real-time maps to guide emergency response and rescue efforts. They help track storms, map fire perimeters, and assess damage, getting help where it's needed most. Beyond emergencies, satellites monitor water resources, guide precision farming, and help manage forests and land. Conservationists use this data to spot illegal logging and monitor environmental impacts. By keeping a watchful eye from above, we can use resources wisely and hold polluters accountable. Space data empowers us to build more resilient, sustainable communities. No single country can tackle Earth's challenges alone. Global teamwork is essential. NASA partners with agencies worldwide, like the European Space Agency, to share data and expertise. The International Charter on Space and Major Disasters unites 17 agencies to provide free satellite data during crises, saving lives. Scientists from many nations collaborate on missions, building instruments and analyzing data together. Climate change knows no borders, so our response must be global. By sharing knowledge, we accelerate progress and create more robust observations. Coordinated missions, like Tempo and its European and Asian counterparts, provide a global, hourly view of air pollution. This spirit of cooperation is the future of Earth observation, a planetary monitoring system for all. NASA's commitment to open data turns space science into a public resource for everyone. Anyone, students, journalists, entrepreneurs, can access high-quality Earth data for free. NASA's online portals and user-friendly tools make complex science accessible and engaging. The Earth Observatory publishes daily images and stories, bringing the science to life for all. At the Smithsonian's Earth Information Center, visitors interact with real-time satellite data, connecting directly with our changing planet. Initiatives like NASA Plus and Innovation Challenges encourage the public to use this data for climate solutions. Open data empowers a new generation of problem solvers to build a better, more resilient future. By sharing these tools, NASA is helping everyone protect our world. Looking up at the night sky fills us with wonder, but space has also taught us about home. The technology we built to explore the cosmos now helps us understand and protect Earth. From space, we see the reality of climate change: thinning ice, shifting weather, stressed ecosystems. But this view also lights the path forward. Satellite data helps us manage resources, respond to disasters, and build resilient societies. It gives farmers, planners, and citizens the knowledge to make better choices. NASA's Earth missions are stories of ingenuity, collaboration, and hope. Global cooperation and open data show that knowledge can benefit all humanity. These are not just scientific missions, they're missions of hope. Our future isn't written, but our capacity for innovation is immense. The satellites circling our globe are reminders of what's possible. By listening to the data and working together, we can protect our fragile blue marble. Our greatest adventure may be learning to live wisely on this world.